I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 108 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heel, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page almost every day where you can ask him questions. He reads the questions, he answers the questions, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put the answers here for you so you have the right information. So on today's episode, we're talking about those damn sales pitches from the spa services. Why don't the microwaves in the rooms ever work? Can't I drop my medical equipment off to my room early? It's heavy. The Hawaii cruises not during the summertime? And will it be free chairs at Celebration Key? Question one. This cruiser wanted to know if there's any way they can bypass the sales pitch at the spa. They pay for a massage. They don't want to be upsold on $68 billion worth of different spa products. I agree. John said, just speak to the therapist at the very start of your session and let them know you're not interested in buying anything. And he said they should, at that point in time, not try to upsell you stuff. I'd imagine they get paid for stuff like that. We did a spa treatment, and, they're trying to sell me beauty products. You need a lot of those. And hair products, and this, and that, and the other. And it was kind of annoying. So I definitely agree with this cruiser. And if we actually do the spa, I'm going to ask them to not sell me anything because I don't want it. Anyway, this is one of my favorite questions I've read in I don't know how long, maybe 108 episodes. This cruiser said after 8 wonderful cruises with Carnival, they've yet to find one of the microwaves in their stateroom that actually work. John, can you get with the beards and see if you can get these things working? John said he knows. It is ridiculous. He said they need to improve, and please put the popcorn in next time and let him know how it goes. So in case you're all confused, or some of you confused, or everybody knows what the hell we're talking about, the safes. So, I just thought that was freaking amazing. Because it got the little buttons on it, kind of looks like a little microwave. It's not. It's a safe. Anyway, question number 3. This cruiser asked John if the Beards could consider letting people that have medical equipment drop it off in their rooms prior to the 1:30 time when the cabins are ready. John said you can indeed drop them off, but you would need to write John ahead of time, normally 2 to 3 days before your cruise, or you can also email access@carnival.com. We'll put that in the description. And they will make arrangements so you can drop off your medical equipment and you don't have to walk around. So if you don't like carrying a whole bunch of stuff with you, you don't have to. Just email access@carnival.com or ask John on his page and he'll get it done. Speaking of if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, now on to question 4. This cruiser was wondering why the Hawaiian cruises aren't offered during the summertime. They would love to go on one, but during being a teacher, and they're not able to take 14 days off or even 5 days during the school year, it's hard. So they want to know if there's a specific reason why they don't have them in June, July. John said he understands summer cruising is some of the most popular time with the families and booking in many ways. So they don't have the longer cruises because most families can't really take a long cruise. They can only do a shorter cruise. So that's why. And the last question, question 5. This cruiser wanted to know, are they going to have free chairs at Celebration Key? John said, yes, there will be free beach chairs available on Celebration Key. And I know why this cruiser asked this question, because a lot of the ports you go to sit down in the chair, the guy walks up next and goes, $20, $40 for the umbrella, give me $60 or you're lighting on fire. So yeah, I totally understand it. But at Celebration Key, there will be free beach chairs. I don't know about the umbrellas. They're probably going to charge you for those. Just saying. Anyway, that's been episode 108 of Yakety-Yak. Thanks for watching. Please take care.